morning everyone. From the picture I perceive 5 characters. Age group is between 25 to 30 years old. All are in positive mood. The action of my story is awareing the remote location people about the government scheme. Sharad was a junior engineer posted in a remote location. When he interacted with the villagers, he found out they were not aware about the government scheme they are eligible. So he took out the list of all the government scheme. Then he coordinated with the Sarpanch to get the go-ahead to conduct a session. Then he informed everyone to attend it. In the session, he informed everyone how they are eligible and how they can apply for the scheme. And after that, everyone was able to get the benefit from the scheme. Thank you.
So I perceive 5 characters in my story. Age is 25 to 30. Mood is positive. My action of story is awareness of education. Education is very important. So Neeraj is 25 years old and completed his M.Tech and now he is teaching in college. Neeraj, we saw that some child is exercising. So he gathers the children and asks about their age. Age is around 15 to 20. So he 15 to 17. He thought he gathers his parents and tell about that the education is very important. He awares about the education, different type of schemes, scholarships, and the government ID. They didn't even aware about the governments that they provide the education as well. And he gives the knowledge about the cleanliness and hygiene. He tells about the scholarship which given by the students. Those are under about 18.
Jain everyone, as I have perceived in the picture, Ram of 25 years old to 30 years of age with 5 main figures. As I have seen in the picture, Ram, a graduate from IEHE Bhopal, have completed his graduation from BSc Agriculture, and when he was back to his village, he saw people suffering from many of the unemployed things and were not able to earn money. So with the help of the Gram Panchayat, and as Ram was a part of NGO, so he helped the people knowing the new technologies and telling all about the Pradhan Mantri Samarth Yojana, which was for the employment scheme, and helped them. And after a few months, the villagers were able to earn money of their own, and they thanked to Ram.
From the picture I perceive 5 main characters. All age between 18 to 45. All in positive. And the action of my picture, and the action is a normal discussion between villagers and the village. So in this story, Ram was 18-year-old school completing, 18-year-old boy who completed his schooling from KV, and he went back to his village for the holiday. When he visited his village before a day, he Gram Panchayat Mukhya and told him about the unwanted thing going in the village, like the smuggling of drugs. And he told him some child got interrupted in this action. So he made him to do a complaint nearby police station and stop the ongoing actions. And he also take initiation for making some activities that will interrupt other children's make time.
Then, gentlemen, I have perceived 5 characters from this picture. All are male, age ranging between 23 to 38. Overall mood is positive. Action of my story is Sarpanch briefing about the organization of Dasara Mela. Ram, the Sarpanch of Panchayat Usri, and it was his responsibility to organize the Dasara fest on the occasion of Dasara Puja. So he called for a meeting with the other Panch member and the youth leader of local area. He also discussed about the organization of Puja, organization of the special market for ladies, exit and interest and proper security. And he also urged the youth leader to gather more volunteers to look after the management of the event. And also he wrote a letter to the local police station seeking the security on the day of Dasara Puja. Thank you.
In my story there are 5 characters. Age is approx 18 to 40 years on a positive mood. The action of the story is teaching about agriculture production business. Ranjan is a 27-year-old boy. He completed his agriculture study from Gwalior and posted in Jabalpur. From the in villages, they come back to the village. This way, in the villages, they facing lack of production in their agriculture, and village, farmers are also facing regarding water problems. So we teach them, or get a meeting and teach them regarding how to increase the production and how to manage the water resources in water harvesting, and regarding these all problems, or give the absolute good lecture to them. And after 6 months and a few months in the villages, production rises, and they thanks to the Ranjan, and Ranjan keep working as work to the social.
In everyone, from the picture, I perceive 5 character, age group between 30 to 60 years. Overall mood is positive. Action of my story is a scene of a village where Panchayat discuss about the village infrastructure. Tushar, 30 years old, Sarpanch of the village, he call a meeting for a weekend meetup for the Panchayat. He take a problems and discuss about the infrastructure of the village. Then he take out the list of the houses but not working or not built properly. So he tell them about the benefit of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and register them for the scheme, and they get benefit for the it, and everyone feel happy, and the Panchayat appreciate the efforts of the Sarpanch. Thank you.
Then everyone, from the picture I perceive 5 characters. Their age lies between 19 to 50 years old. They are very positive. The action of the story is awaiting people about government issues. Mohan, 21-year-old engineering student, in his semester break, he visited his village, and where he noticed that the villagers are not aware about government issues. So he visited the Sarpanch house and gave a spoil about conducting a awareness drive. With the help of Sarpanch, Mohan conducted a awareness drive where he awared villagers about government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and Ayushman Bharat Yojana, where they registered the needy and eligible people. So the needy and eligible people get the benefit of the schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Sarpanch thanked and appreciated the agent to aware people about it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I perceive in the picture 5 main characters. All are in the positive mood. Age between 35 to 45 years old. The action of my story is scene of discussion organizing a Vijay Dashami festival in a village. So Raju, 35 years old, teacher in Rampur, Varanasi. There was a Vijay Dashami festival as usual every year. So he called his festival members and discussed between them about the budgets and the safety purpose and all the arrangements. So he given a task to the 80 members about the lightning and the advertisement of the festivals, what organizing in the festivals, and stick the posters in the surroundings of local towns, and they are in such way, and inform the police to the securities. So he overall look after all the things and arrange well. Finally, the festival was very successfully, and the people and the surroundings, people of our town enjoyed very much. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceive 5 people, all male, age ranging from 23 to 50, all in a positive mood. The action of my story is Panchayat discussing modern farming methods. Ram is an excellent scholar who has recently graduated and joined an AI startup in Bangalore, where he learned about deep learning and how to train new LLM models. Today he is returning to his village where he met the Panchayat, especially the Sarpanch, and he is telling them about the modern methods and use of robots in farming and how this can scale up farming. Post this, the Sarpanch congratulates him and blesses him for his future endeavors. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I have perceived 5 characters on the story, all male aging around 25 to 65 with positive mood. Akshat, 25-year-old student of BSc Agriculture of Delhi University, who recently visited his village with his father. Upon seeing the poor condition of farming land, he urges to meet the sarpanch and other farmers, where he told them about the use of new scientific seeds, drip irrigation method and other techniques they can employ to cultivate the land. For this, he told them about the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, which they can use to get loan and new age modern equipments from the government directly instead of buying it from the money lender. He also told them about how they can use their land as a multiple property where they can not only grow one crops but also others for perfect profit and yielding. After this, he told them about the drip irrigation and shifting irrigation methods. They can use their rainwater also and they can use it for irrigation also. After few months when their crops yielded properly, they made a good profit and were very ecstatic. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I pursue 5 characters, all are males and the mode is positive. The age criteria is between 20 to 45 years old. The action of my story is the scene of a village and discussing over the importance of the green environment. Ravi, he's completed his graduation and preparing for the competitive exam and he cleared the forest ranger exam. After his completing training, he returned to his village and the neighbors came to him to ask his experience. He shared his job experience to him, also encouraged them towards the importance of green environment in the future. Also, he encouraged their children to focus on their studies and become the future forest ranger officer. And he enjoyed his vacation and returned to his duty. Thank you.
From the given picture, I have perceived 5 male characters. The age group between 30 to 35 years of age, all are in positive mood. The action of the story is building a grain storage house. Ram, 35 years old, Bhoj village Sarpanch was discussing about building a storage grain house for the village. For the matter, he discussed with the Sarpanch committees. He told them about how a storage house will help the village, how it will help the village, and they don't have to pay the hefty amount for the other villages for the storage of their crops. Later, he also tells them that the interest that we can generate from the crops that we give, storage house that we give to the other villages, and that interest could be helpful for the village welfare. Later, they discuss the plan. They discuss this place where they will be building the storage grain house. Soon after, before the cultivation season of the crop, they build the storage house, and it is helping the village and the other villages as well. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived there are 5 male characters. Age lies from 30 to 55 years old. The overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is planning and setting up a small business. Ravi, a 30-year-old businessman who was trying to find a new opportunity to set a business, finds the opportunity at upcoming Mahakumbh at Ujjain. So, in order to increase employment in his village, he discussed all the plan of setting up the business of plastic molding factory and a water plant with his villagers, and told them about the government schemes which can help them, like MSME and Startup India. After applying, he got the financial aid, set up the business in his village, which increased the employment and helped villagers to stand on their own feet. After a successful year of plant, they participated in Mahakumbh Ujjain, which gave them heavy profits and was able to. And afterwards, the Ravi was happy to help their villagers, and all the villagers could expand their business. Thank you.
So from the gentleman, I would like to start off with that. As we are seeing, there are 5 men. We can take it as a panchayat meeting, as most of us has, you know. So as most of us has already written about government schemes, we can include government schemes. Then when ladies and gentlemen, first have to discuss about the age group.
Or a scenario where a
The
person is helping
age group we have already taken as 28 to 29 years of
What I
age.
say that
There are
if they are discussing about government scheme, so it should not be 4 to 5 members. There are 2 more people.
they are
Gentlemen, if they are from the surface meeting, I would suggest they are from 30 to 35 years of age. Yeah, taking the age group from 30 to 45 for talking about the actions that we have discussed. I guess we can organize a mail or Vijay Dashmi as we have discussed.
Medical condition of village, they are in panchayat or giving the idea how to tackle the all situation of medical, because they are not aware about the medical condition of.
I totally agree with the previous speaker, but if they are discussing about medical things, then there must be a doctor or nurse present there.
Maybe after first
As we have all discussed, the mood is positive. Why to take some medical?
One thing is confirmed. It is confirmed that they are discussing about something, and one person is elderly and couple of them are very young.
Gentlemen, I would like to pitch a point here that instead of organizing a mela, it would be a very basic thing. Would we like to go with a storage house that would help the not only this village but
It
other
will be more
villages?
helpful, as both said the same story, to aware the people about the government scheme. As we can observe the person,
Because the age group is between the age, like 60 to
If they are awareing, there must be villagers, not the circle committee.
Committee decide first and then they spread awareness.
with the help of sarpanch they can decide, not
So group, what scheme we are discussing about?
One about the agriculture and other about so we should discuss that what kind of particular scheme they are discussing.
Micro, small, medium enterprise, which
this under the government scheme.
Gentlemen, 25 people.
I would suggest that Ayushman Bharat is a good scheme. We should take that thing and move forward. Also, the government is
they are discussing about schemes like government medical and agriculture
Telling about the awareness of the Ayushman or like this.
I would suggest that we should take one scheme as we have discussed the Ayushman Bharat and go with that. It will be easy to add the actions.
As he have mentioned many schemes,
When
we
it
can add
is
his
about,
points also.
now-
We need to add government scheme,
Now
not
let's
specific.
now let's take the story to a streamline. It is a story about a panchayat who is discussing government schemes like
Medical
For the
condition.
betterment of the agriculture of the village, help by the
agriculture
policies.
development scheme.
प्रधानमंत्री वो आवास योजना
We can use Pradhan Mantri Samarthi Yojana, which is helpful in employment and earning of the
from the
people.
government.
Then we should stick to one
And the
scheme and
villagers.
discuss the actions around
So,
the
we can take the theme as they are discussing about how they can do the betterment of their agriculture and also about the Ayushman Bharat plan as
the quality of life.
And by adding the
Infrastructure of the area.
to the villagers and helping them into agriculture, which leads to better earning in ahead for the villagers with the help of certain policies which we have named.
Yes, as we can see in the picture that there is a one young person. As there is, we can see that there is a one young person who is educating or briefing the
They
others.
collectively,
So we can see the age group is 30 to
we discuss about the
65.
various things that they are going to organize and this spread the awareness.
They are the educated, so they are awareing the people about the agriculture and the health condition of the villagers, so that they
They
can.
also discuss about the loans that will be subsidized by the government.
Gentlemen, we should think for the
Not only on streets but also on the story towards as well.
Taking story
One
to
of
a
us-
streamline
one
point,
of us can narrate
we can
the story in
conclude
such
the
a way.
story as it was a panchayat meeting where they were discussing about Ayushman scheme and modern agricultural techniques.
And Pradhan Mantri Samarthi Yojana for
And
the
Pradhan Mantri
employment.
Samarthi Yojana, we can conclude all three action schemes in our story.
For the betterment of the villagers,
We
for
can
the
see that they were
agriculture.
discussing about all the government schemes, and they were just planning that who are the new society or the person who need to be granted.
As discussed, we can start. We can start it with that they are discussing about the modern agriculture and according to it, they modern techniques of agriculture and after that they include the how it can affect the business sector. So they include MSME and then Pradhan Mantri Samarthi Yojana for the employment of the people and giving them their money directly from the government, not from the money lenders.
Okay, we have to conclude the story as we are discussing about government schemes and infrastructure development and all we have to decide on doing the progress of the
I think gentlemen and gentlewomen, we should come to a conclusion that Ram was a part of NGO, and he helped the people in modern agriculture learning, and also told various skills about the government, and helped the people for the betterment and their future.
So we have to come to a conclusion that about what they are discussing. I think they are discussing about the Ayushman card
As we
distribution.
are concluded our story like the health awareness and the agriculture department awareness and the health schemes provided by government. In such schemes we can conclude our story.
So as a common consensus, we can say that there is a person, Ram, who is an NGO personnel who came to their village and taught them about the modern farming method and the Ayushman scheme, in which we include the sanitary of the complete village, and also how they should be using the MSME and other schemes provided by government for their betterment, for the betterment of their villages and for the employment of the villagers.
Okay, group, now let's nominate a person to give a group spelling.
Thank you everyone for nominating me. As a group consensus arrived to, we have decided that there is a character Ram, a 27-year-old NGO personnel who came to visit a village in which he met the Sarpanch and other members. There, he told them about the use of modern farming techniques and other schemes that can help the villagers and other personnel. He taught them about the government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Samarth Yojana, and these things to aware them about the MSME that can be provided to them, which can not only help them to get the modern machines from the government, but also the loan to feed their crops. He also told them about the Ayushman Bharat card, which can help them to lower their expenditure on health, and the sanitary techniques in the complete village that can keep them healthy. He told them about the schemes in which the villagers can be employed to the city and keep their village healthy and employed. Thank you.